Hello, so the reason why I chose this topic is because I actually work at the Springs, and an event that I'm familiar with there is the gala. And every year they have this event where there's dancing, eating, and you win prizes and everything in the hotel for appreciation of all of the employees they have there. So the reason why I chose this background for the flyer was because the coloration of the hotel is a lot of light blue and a lot of light white colors and everything. So this background became fitting. And then I posted the Omni Hotels and Resort at the top, so whenever people see this flyer, they affiliate it with the Omni Hotel and they know that it's the Bedford Springs, Pennsylvania uh, hotel. So the appreciating all employees, we would like you all to enjoy a night of dancing, eating, and even winning prizes. So that's just telling the employees that all employees are invited, and this is what they will be doing, and the reason why they're doing it. They're doing it to show their appreciation for all of the employees. And then below that I posted the date and time, and then also more information on that they can bring another person with them. So this way they're not confused on when it is. And then I also told them where it is at, which is the Colonnade Ballroom, which nearly every employee is very familiar with. It's the biggest room in the resort. And then I also told them where the sheet would be posted for signing up, and I told them that it would be by the clocking machine on the bridge, which is a place that everybody has to go to whenever they start working there. Everyone has to go there every day that they work there, and there's a table there, so where they always put sign up sheets and information, so all the employees would be really familiar with this particular thing.